Hi, I'm Chip, and I like to record my own reader for self-tape auditions because it's convenient, it saves time, and I can control the performance. The only obstacle you'll face with this method is your unwillingness to embrace technology. I'm kidding. It's about having the right equipment, and I'll use a phone, an iPad, and a Mac computer running iMovie. If you use a PC, the built-in video editor for Windows is Clipchamp, and Teleprompter Pro will run on a tablet. With this hardware, I'm going to show you how to put the script onto a prompter, record your audition and the reader, and assemble it in iMovie.
First, you'll dictate or type your sides into a Pages or Word document. This is better than copy and paste, which requires a lot of formatting. Then Control-click the document, scroll to Share, select AirDrop, and select your iPad as the destination. On the iPad, open Pages, select the script, click the three dots upper right, and select Presenter Mode. Select this icon, and use the slide to control the speed. Touch the screen to begin the scroll. Now set up your recording space with your camera and tablet positioned at eye level. As you rehearse the lines for the character, note the time it takes for the reader's response and incorporate that into your performance. If you need more time for slower dramatic pieces, go to Edit, select the lines that need adjustment, and space them with the Return button. Click here to exit. Record your character's lines, leaving space for the reader's lines. Now flip that tablet and rehearse the reader's lines.
What? I just got here.
Yeah, I watched you almost 20 minutes.
I rolled my ankle yesterday.
Then record a new video recording the other lines in order.
What? I just got here. I rolled my ankle yesterday.
This video will be used only for its audio. On your phone, open Photos and select your videos. Click Share lower left. Click AirDrop and select your laptop. On your computer, drag the videos from the Downloads folder onto the desktop. Rename the videos so that you can easily identify them. If you read for several characters in a project, I'd suggest you wear different shirts for each so you can easily distinguish between them. When you double-click on the reader video, it'll open in QuickTime. We only need the audio from this video, so go to File, Export As, and Audio Only. Save it, and now you have an MP4 audio file, and you can delete the original video. Now, with all three elements on the desktop, open a new project in iMovie and drag each into the editing pane. I like to record my slate apart from the audition, so I'll drag that in, then the audition clip. I'll zoom out a bit. Then drag the audio clip to the area below the videos. Use this slider to zoom in and out, and under Settings, use this slider to increase the size of the clip. Now that my clips are loaded, I'll increase the size to make them easier to edit. To return the cursor to the beginning, use FN arrow left. Use Shift S to enable audio skimming. Select the slate and pull the borders in to trim it. Do the same for the audition clip.
What the hell are you doing, What the hell are you doing, Cantrell?
When it's time for the first reader line, select the audio clip and pull the left border in. I'll zoom in here for better accuracy. To split any clip, click on it, position the cursor, and hit Command-B. Now you can edit the right margin of the first reader line. Now click and drag the clip to the correct position.
What the hell are you doing, Cantrell?
What? I just got here.
To adjust the volume, click and drag this line down. Do the same for the other audio clips. For the next line, adjust the margin and drag it into position.
Minutes.
I rolled my ankle yesterday.
Another way to trim a clip is to position the cursor, hit Command-B, click the second clip, and delete it.
But we got a psychopath in there who's ready.
This is our last audition line, so find the end of it, split the clip, select the remainder, and delete. Now I'd like to change the pitch of the reader
If I take the photos for her, she's still...
so that it sounds less similar to my voice. Select the audio clip, and in this toolbar, select Clip, Filter, and Audio Effects. Click here, and in the pop-up you have options to raise or lower your voice. I'll choose Pitch Up 1.
For her, she's still going to act the way she does.
And it's best to make this adjustment before you chop up the audio file like I did. Let's double-check these transitions.
This is Chip Wood.
What the hell are you doing, Cantrell?
What? I just got here.
Yeah, I watched 20 minutes.
I rolled my ankle yesterday. There's some really great videos.
Yeah, that's fine. That's great, Cantrell. But we gotta...
Now we're ready to export. Go to File, scroll to Share, select File, and I want to reduce the file size by selecting 720p, then Medium Quality, and for Compress, select Better Quality. Hit Next, title the file, and it lands on your desktop, ready for upload to YouTube. Thanks for watching.
Reader for self-tape auditions because it's convenient, it saves time. It's about having the right equipment, and I'll use a phone, an IDI, and a jet airplane. The right equipment, and I'll use a...